Welcome to another week in the workshop where we've spread this over 2 months. We had a bit of a break from our last episode, and this episode we get the car finalised, we get the new rear wing on the car, we get the livery finished, completed by Sandown down in Dandenong. So they've done a fantastic job to get the car looking the way it is now. And after the debacle of round 3 down at Sandown, with the enforcing of the 130% rule, and yeah, look, we all know the rule's always been there, but in over 80 races it's never been enforced, so it would have been nice to have a bit of a heads up beforehand, considering the round 3 was the first round after we rolled the car at Phillip Island, so it was important that we check the integrity of the car and make sure that everything was right out on the track. So but that's okay. We were able to use some NatSoft data to prove the car was quick, and we were able to continue. But from that, we don't want to go through that again. So we've fast-tracked the cylinder head and got that fitted to the car before round 4. So within the week, we stripped the car, got the head on, got it down to the dyno, and got it down the track. So it proved very successful. We had a very good weekend. A few technical issues, so we've got a few reliability issues to sort out before Phillip Island. But we've got a nice large break before then, so we've got 2 months. So yeah, sit back and enjoy the episode. Thank you.